Here is a real story. How Michael became the office digital marketing expert at 47, and it's not what you think. He says, "So last year, I was that guy. You know the one, asking my 25-year-old coworker how to share a file on Slack. Pretty embarrassing, right? But here's what's crazy. Within 90 days, I went from tech-phobic to lead our company's entire digital marketing strategy. And the best part? I got a $15,000 raise because of it. Here's how it happened. I realized something important. All those YouTube tutorials and generic courses, they're designed for 22-year-olds who grew up with smartphones, not for people like us, who remembers when email was revolutionary. So I found a system built specifically for professionals over 40. It breaks down digital marketing into bite-sized pieces that actually make sense. No tech jargon. No overwhelming information dumps. Just clear, step-by-step guidance. But here's the wild part. Within 30 days, I was running Facebook ads for our company. By day 60, I was managing our entire social media strategy. And by day 90, I was training younger employees on digital marketing best practices. The irony is incredible. The same people who used to help me with basic tech stuff were now coming to me for marketing advice. And get this, my boss just asked me to lead a new digital transformation initiative. At 47, I'm not just keeping up with the digital world, I'm leading it. So if you're ready to stop feeling behind and start building real digital skills, check out the link in the description. That's the exact system that helped me. And it can help you too.